Artemis II? Why a space plumber is critical to NASA's lunar mission, NASA's historic Artemis II mission, which aims to send humans deeper into space than anyone has since the Apollo era, is currently navigating a very human challenge: sanitation technology failure. While the mission is successfully entering its 5th day of a planned 10-day lunar loop, the crew of the Orion capsule has been forced to deal with intermittent malfunctions in the spacecraft's waste management system. The technical glitch. A frozen vent line. The primary issue involves the Orion capsule's toilet, which has struggled to dispose of waste properly. On Saturday, NASA reported that the system was unable to dump waste overboard, a problem likely caused by a clogged wastewater vent line. In the extreme environment of deep space, temperature regulation is a constant battle. NASA engineers suspect that ice may have formed within the vent line, blocking the flow. To combat this, the crew and ground control have implemented 2 primary solutions. Solar orientation. The spacecraft was maneuvered to point the vent toward the sun, using solar heat to thaw the blockage. Heater activation. Engineers are utilizing onboard vent heaters to melt any potential ice buildup. While these efforts have freed up space in the wastewater tank and kept the toilet partially operational, the system is not yet fully reliable. As a precaution, the crew has been instructed to use collapsible plastic containers for urine collection overnight. Life in a camper van. The technical difficulty highlights the physical constraints of deep space travel. The 4 crew members, Reed Weissman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, and Jeremy Hansen, are living in a cabin roughly the size of a small camper van, 5m wide by 3m high. In such a confined, pressurized environment, hygiene and waste management are not just matters of comfort. They are critical to the health and psychological well-being of the crew. Missions specialist Christina Koch humorously referred to herself as the space plumber, noting that in microgravity, the toilet is perhaps the most vital piece of equipment on board. Why waste management matters for future exploration. The fixation on the toilet. As John Honeycutt of the Artemis II mission management team described it, stems from a fundamental reality of space travel: logistics. For short missions in low Earth orbit, like those on the International Space Station, waste management is a solved problem. However, for long-duration missions to the Moon or Mars, the complexity increases exponentially. Every kilogram of waste must be managed, stored, or disposed of without compromising the spacecraft's internal atmosphere or the crew's health. NASA Administrator Jared Isaacman acknowledged the setback, noting that while humanity can perform extraordinary things in space, perfecting basic life support capabilities remains a significant hurdle for long-term habitation. Everybody knows how important that is to us here on Earth, and it's harder to manage in space. John Honeycutt, Artemis II Mission Management Team Chair. Mission status. Despite the plumbing complications, the mission remains on track. The Orion capsule is following its planned looping trajectory around the far side of the Moon, marking the first time humans have ventured beyond Earth's orbit since 1972. The Artemis II mission continues to prove that even as we push the boundaries of physics and celestial navigation, the most basic biological necessities remain our greatest engineering challenge.